Hi guys, today I'm going to recreate an egg-free version of the famous Disneyland Mickey beignets that are lighter and fluffier than the original. Let's get started by activating the yeast. In a bowl, add 160 grams of milk and 240 grams of half and half that's between 105 and 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Add 60 grams of sugar and 7 grams of yeast and mix together. Let this work its magic for about 10 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it starts to bubble and a layer of foam forms on the top. In a stand mixer with a dough hook, add 550 grams of flour, 10 grams of kosher salt, 10 grams of Bob's Red Mill egg replacement, 60 grams of room temperature butter, and your yeast milk mixture. Mix on medium-low speed for 2 minutes. I'll leave a full recipe in the info box. Now that our dough is mixed, we're going to knead it on a floured cutting board for 1 to 2 minutes. Coat the inside of a mixing bowl with butter, add your dough and cover with plastic wrap. The dough needs to rise for about 30 minutes or it has doubled in size. In hindsight, I should have used a bigger bowl because I had to take the plastic wrap off to let the dough fully rise. Now that our dough is doubled in size, we're going to roll it out to about a 1/4 inch thick on a floured cutting board and use the Mickey cookie cutters to cut out our beignets. After we cut out our Mickey Mouse beignets, we want to let the beignets rise one more time for 30 minutes before we fry them. This will help them stay nice and fluffy. I've found that this recipe works best to heat your oil to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. We want to fry them for about 2 minutes on each side or until they are golden brown. Let the beignets rest for a few minutes on a paper towel to absorb any excess oil. Sprinkle them generously with powdered sugar and enjoy them while they're still warm. Thanks for watching, guys. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. If you make any of my recipes, tag me on my Instagram at @A Chef and a Spoon. Leave me a comment on what you want to see next.